G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. In light of me trying to get better at welding, I'm going to be undertaking a little bit of a welding project, so we're going to be making a stool for my brother. Sort of like a low three-legged stool, I guess. But we're going to sort of make it sort of industrial, hopefully, so it looks kind of cool. Yeah, anyway, let's get started. So this is going to be the underside of the stool, the support sort of section of the stool, and we have 3 pieces to cut out. This is some 65, I believe it's 65 millimeters wide by about 5 millimeters thick piece of steel. Obviously this is totally overkill, but it's what I had on hand at the time, so we're going to be working with this. And just after a little bit of wire wheeling on the angle grinder, that's kind of where we're at. Time to start looking at what to use for the actual seat portion of this. And for that, I've got this. A piece of what I believe is pine. It's kind of old, and if you actually look at it, it's pretty warped. Now normally this would be pretty well a completely useless piece of wood. However, this isn't exactly normal. The seat has to be comfortable. Having a warped piece of wood at this stage isn't really going to be a problem. We're going to cut this down to a manageable size, and then we're actually going to start looking at how we're going to flatten it and all the rest of it. Let's go. Okay, so this is something that I love about living in Australia. These things just happen all the time. Little buddy. Little buddy, come back. Cutest wee little snake that I've ever seen. It's probably only like, I wouldn't even say he's a month old, but he's maybe 20 centimeters long or so. 20, 25. Really wish he didn't go in there, because I prefer it if he just went back outside. Just another day in Australia, right? He was just going between the grinder and the bandsaw there, and he was just like sort of slithering across the floor, and I was like, what is this? Don't know what he is. It could be a dugong. When snakes are young, they often don't have very much colour to sort of help them blend into their background and that sort of stuff. If he pops up again, I'll show you. Anyway, let's get back to this. Pretty good, yeah.
Can't help but feel like it's missing something though.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It was actually a really fun project. I still need to work on my welding, obviously, but it does seem to be getting better, I guess. I don't know. As far as it being comfortable, it's not bad, I guess. I mean, you throw a towel or a cushion on it and it would be as comfortable as a wooden stool with a towel or a cushion on it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you have any suggestions to help me get a little bit better at stick welding or arc welding, let me know. I'll see you all in the next episode. Remember to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload next. In the meantime, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.